to create high-protein instant noodles and cup noodles. Watch as eco-friendly trucks deliver fresh mealworm shipments. Welcome to the cutting-edge noodle factory,
where millions of sustainable mealworms arrive daily.
with less water and land than traditional farming. And all essential amino acids are unloaded and prepped, using 2,000 fewer gallons of water and 80% less land than beef. These nutrient-packed larvae, boasting 55% protein. Join this thrilling 12-minute tour from delivery to delicious noodles.
And lower emissions than beef for equivalent protein.
Where millions are nurtured for optimal growth.
Now inside the factory, the unloaded mealworms enter vast breeding chambers in climate-controlled trays, using far less water and land
than traditional protein sources, perfect for sustainable instant noodles.
These larvae are fed a precise diet of grains and veggies. Watch the fascinating transformation from tiny eggs to plump larvae ready in weeks. Robotics ensure 24/7 care, scaling production to meet global demand. Monitored by AI sensors for health and efficiency.
While minimizing waste and emissions.
Rich in 55% protein and essential nutrients.
Hence, these mealworms form the base for nutritious cup noodles. This breeding powerhouse sets the stage. As the mealworms reach maturity, automated harvesters gently collect them. Millions of plump larvae are scooped onto conveyors. As the mealworms reach maturity, automated harvesters gently collect them,
ensuring no damage for maximum nutrient retention in our noodles.
Then, high-pressure water jets thoroughly clean the harvest,
removing any residue in a sterile wash cycle.
The cleaned mealworms move to industrial dryers, where hot air circulates to remove moisture quickly and evenly. Watch as they transform into crisp, dry forms, locking in 55% protein for the noodle flour base, guaranteeing safety and quality for delicious cup noodles. Now dried and ready, they head to grinding. Efficiency at its best. Sensors monitor temperature and humidity. The dried mealworms now enter massive grinders. High-speed blades turn them into a nutrient-dense powder, retaining all essential amino acids efficiently. Pulverized into fine flour packed with protein for our instant noodles.
This eco-friendly flour is sifted for purity. Ready to revolutionize noodle nutrition.
Next, the mealworm flour blends with wheat, water, and seasonings in industrial mixers.
Next, the mealworm flour blends with wheat, water, and seasonings,
Combining insect protein with traditional flavors for tasty cup noodles.
Adjustments ensure perfect texture, chewy, yet quick cooking.
This mix supports sustainable eating worldwide. This mix supports sustainable eating worldwide. With 2x the protein of standard noodles.
The mixed dough rolls out into thin sheets.
Precision cut into noodle shapes for instant perfection.
Robotic cutters form strands for packets or blocks for cups. This step locks in the mealworm protein,
ensuring uniform size and chewiness.
Next, high-temperature steam partially cooks the noodles.
Creating bases ready for steaming, setting their springy texture. Using energy-efficient systems for sustainability.
For that classic crunch, some are flash fried in oil,
while others air dry for healthier options.
Ideal for eco-conscious consumers. Sensors track every parameter.
Removing excess moisture. Air drying variants preserve nutrients without added fats, guaranteeing safety and flavor in every batch. Whether fried or dried, these steps make mealworm noodles.
hot oil bubbles transform them into long-lasting instant noodles.
Steamed and crisped noodles now get their burst of flavor. In the seasoning station, automated sprayers coat them with custom spice mixes.
Savory, spicy, or umami for irresistible taste.
This step infuses the mealworm protein base with global-inspired seasonings,
Enhancing nutrition without waste. Seasoned noodles flow into robotic packagers, portioned precisely into packets or cups. Foil seals lock in freshness, with flavor packets added seamlessly for convenience.
Cup noodles get their lids, while packet versions are boxed, thousands per hour.
Infrared sensors and cameras inspect for defects,
Ensuring every product meets high standards. Final checks confirm no contaminants. From mealworm delivery and breeding. Frying, seasoning, and packaging, we've seen the revolutionary process.
These mealworm-based cup noodles address global food challenges with innovation and efficiency.
And share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. Remember, this is the future of food. If this tour inspired you, like, subscribe to Fruit World Factory for more behind-the-scenes manufacturing magic.